So I'ma do it with the lights off. Slight thought, think I'm getting somewhere. Open doors, pull out your chair. Adore anything that you wear, and I take it off when I come over there. I see the message when you laying down. So hold your edges while I'm pulling your hair. I call it.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Redslay, back with another banger. Listen, so I've been seeing a lot of this video going around, a lot of videos with the car wash prank. So we at the car wash, my boyfriend, he went to the bathroom really quick. By the time he get back into the car, what I'm gonna do, we gonna pay for this car wash. Once we get in there, out of nowhere, I'm gonna just let the window down on him, even though he might start trying to keep it up or whatnot. Look at my dog in the back, bro. She's so scared of water also. But yeah, I'm gonna let the window down on him, y'all. But before we get into this video, bro, y'all already know y'all gotta like this video, man. Let me get a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what other pranks y'all want to see, what else y'all want to see on the channel, man. And subscribe to the channel. I'm on the way to 5K, so don't forget to subscribe, bro. Don't just come here watching me. I'm not playing. But I'm gonna turn the camera back on once he get in here. I actually see him coming now. He think we just doing a car wash vlog. He probably know what I got going on already, but we're gonna get right into this prank though. So come to find out, as I'm recording my intro right now, trying to prank him, he thinking the same thing. He trying to prank me right now. Let's get into it. Let's see what he got to say.
Meanwhile.
Man, what it is, YouTube, man. See, look, this we got going on, you feel me? We about to go to the car wash, you feel me? Red want to go to the car wash, you feel me? She said she want to do a little car wash vlog, so we finna do that. But I'm going to turn it to a little prank. I know she hate irons, so you feel me? I'm going to take some with me, and I'm going to chew it up. I'm like, I got to go use the bathroom, come back, you feel me? I'm going to try to kiss on her. You feel me? I know she would be mad. Oh, she hate irons. We finna see what happened, though. I'm gonna take a bite of this, see how this shit taste. Ooh. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna do that, though. We gonna get her.
We're going here to see what's up to the vlog.
What it is, YouTube? What it is? What's going on? It's Purple Dro. You gonna tell him what's up?
I'm doing something.
Oh, okay. She doing something, y'all. She don't want to talk to y'all right now.
Please add payment for your selection.
Can they see you like that? You think when the super view come that it'll see both of us?
See everything.
Come and relax.
Remember, they saw the whole car.
Hmm?
In the other videos.
Please drive forward. Please drive forward.
What?
Yo, that's funny as fuck. You is funny. But yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl Redslay, back with another video. It says stop.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's doing it. Back with another video for y'all and whatnot. Right now we getting a car wash because it was needed badly and whatnot.
I ain't even tucked through the mud. You should have took a picture of it and showed them. But looking rough.
Should have been thinking of that. You gonna run a battery down doing that.
You green.
Bro,
You green. Come on, give me
you,
that.
no,
Dad, you green.
no,
Come
what
on,
you was eating?
Give me a kid. What you mean without eating?
No,
What?
no, for real, bro.
Give me a
Move.
Give me a kid.
You slide all over me, bro. What you was eating? Onions, bro?
No.
You lying.
Stop, man. You wetting me. Give me a.
No.
Give me kids.
What you eating? Stop. Stop. What you was eating onions, bro, for real? Move.
No, what you crying for? Come on.
Your ass funny. Stop.
Yeah, I can't get a kiss.
No, bro, you got onions in your mouth?
Come on, bro, Stank. No.
You know your ass. What, you found onions in that store?
No.
Some shit.
Come on. Come on, bro, Stank.
Bro, your ass had to be.
That's what you get trying to wet me. You trying to wet me?
Bro, for real, bro, your ass had to be eating onions, bro.
You ain't even get me that good. What you mean, give me this?
No, move, bro. Stop, bro. Stop, bro. You gonna have me smell like onions, bro.
Ah.
Fuck, what you eating? Move.
I'm good. I'm good. I can't get a kiss. Stop.
Bro, stop before you make the thing go dead.
What's good with it?
The car thing.
Nuh-uh.
Cookie scared as hell. No, for real, bro. What you in there? 8 onions?
No. No.
No, cause where the
I can't get a kiss.
Huh?
Can't get a kiss.
Move, bro. Stop for real, bro. Move. Move. Stop, bro. That shit going too far. Shit hit me.
You got me screaming and shit, man. You at me and shit. But I can't get a kiss.
No, bro.
I ain't gonna count. I had 8 irons.
I
That shit
can
was
taste
nasty.
the shit, bro. You nasty, bro.
I had to get you. I know you don't like irons. And you trying to wet me and stuff. You so
I'm not
vain.
trying to wet
We supposed to be doing a vlog. You trying to wet
It
me
is
and
a
stuff.
vlog.
Nah, you think you done got soaked. Oh, the back window open. You done got soaked trying to wet me.
Bro,
See, look, y'all, she tried to get me.
you came here with other shit to do.
I came in here with something to do. She ain't even expect that. She don't even like irons. I had chopped me some irons up. You feel me? I couldn't wait. I couldn't even sleep tonight. She told me I was gonna do a vlog. You feel me? Car wash. I knew she had something up. I ain't think it would be that, but
You haven't seen that on YouTube? Bro, move, bro. For real, I'm not
What you
playing.
doing?
Stop with that onion,
Eat
bro.
irons. She hate irons,
For
y'all.
real,
Come on, eat
move.
irons. It's not bad, man. I shoot
Shit,
the whole thing. Come on, come on.
I know you first came here. Hold up. Let me say something.
What you gonna say?
I know your ass first came here. You talk about give me a kiss. All I smelled was onions. This shit stink, bro. This shit stink as hell.
Yeah, she thought she gonna catch me staring.
You gotta stop, bro.
You
That
hear me?
shit stink.
Stop playing, huh?
Move, bro. I'm not playing. No. Move. No, stop.
Look,
I'm
he's
not playing. Stop, bro.
Are you scared of an iron?
I'm not scared of it. This shit nasty.
That's crazy, y'all.
This shit, anybody who like onions, bro, this shit nasty. It smell nasty. I hate when people eat shit. Yeah, that shit nasty. That shit nasty, man.
I've been nasty, but I chewed that bitch though. I'm gonna do it chewing that bitch.
I already know it, bro. But anybody who even eat onion shit like that, that's nasty. It have your breath so stink, bro. Like, who really would want that? Could go to the back. Move.
I tried to make Cookie smell her breath. She done walked over there. But I think Cookie smelled it because something I got in, she would like,
Shit stank. They had onions in that stuff?
no, I had got this last night at Walmart.
No. You really bought that onion?
Yeah, I couldn't even sleep last night. I want to do this. When you said you want to do the car wash?
I forgot when I said I was
I
going
want to do that. They said,
yesterday.
dude, she done wet me. Y'all see how she trying to do me, man? All I had was little iron, you feel me? She want to go, she trying to soak me. I got something for her.
But that was a prank, though. I don't know if you ever seen the video or not. Where they do the taking them to a car wash, open up the windows on them.
Nah.
You haven't seen that video? You gotta look at it. But anyways, y'all, don't forget to like this video. Listen, I'm trying to prank him. He done pranked me. How that work?
Double prank.
So this was a double prank or whatnot. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We on the way to 5K, and I will see y'all in another video.